Let's draw a cute little piggy. First, draw the pig's plump body and head. Pink. And a little mouth. Red. Now give the pig a little snout. Black. And a funny tuft of hair on top of her head. Blue. Put two little heart-shaped ears on the piggy. Pink. Excellent! Draw the piggy's front legs. And some cute shorts. Blue. Wow! Next, draw the piggy's little legs with hooves. Pink. All that's left is to add a funny little tail. And the piggy will be ready. What a charming piggy you've drawn! She dances really well.